Hi, welcome to some more Late Night Kitchen Chemist with your boy, amateur pro home chef Nathanael Levinson. I feel cranky, irritable, what's the word? Crabby, that's the word. So what should I make? Let's make crab cakes. You'll need jumbo lump crab meat. You'll need eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, chives, some seasonings of your preference. I like Old Bay, salt, pepper, breadcrumbs, and that's it. So, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put our crab meat in a bowl. Next, we're gonna add about a quarter cup of mayonnaise. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of a good sharp mustard. This is strong English mustard from England. Next, I'm going to add about a half teaspoon each of garlic paste and ginger paste. We're going to mince some chives. We're gonna stir to combine, then we're gonna season this to taste. Now, we are going to be adding breadcrumbs and egg. The breadcrumbs shouldn't really change the flavor of what's going on. We're adding it as a binder. And the egg, once we've added it, we can no longer taste it. So we're gonna pause here, mix it up, season it to taste, then the last thing we're gonna do is add the breadcrumbs and the egg, and then we'll be ready to cook. So what we have right now is more of a crab salad, akin to a tuna salad, but that's okay. So we're gonna hit it with a little bit of Old Bay, maybe a half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon maybe. Crab meat's kind of a delicate flavor, so we don't want to overwhelm it. Give it a little bit of salt, and then squeeze on the juice of half a lemon. Make sure you want to either strain out the seeds or catch the seeds. All right, so now that our mixture is seasoned the way we want it, 2 eggs to hold everything together, and some breadcrumbs to act as a binding agent. And now you could use breadcrumbs, you could use panko, you could use Italian breadcrumbs, but if we're gonna be bougie, why not put it on the Ritz? Haha. Bust out your handy dandy food processor, throw in a handful of Ritz crackers, and just hit the on button. The finest Ritz dust. You're gonna wanna add about a half cup of your fancy schmancy new breadcrumbs just to act as a binder. So now that our crab mixture is all ready to go, we're gonna form some patties. Now, you can make these big, small, medium, whatever you wanna do. Since we're doing late night, midnight snack, we're gonna make smaller patties. So just take a handful, kind of shape it roughly into a patty, like so, then bloop, lay it down on the plate. Now we're gonna heat our pan to between medium and medium high. Throw a pat of butter in there until it starts to bubble. Transfer our crab cakes right into our hot pan.
Denied.
So you might see these served with some sort of sauce like tartar sauce or hollandaise or something, but I think if the crab cake is good enough, it can hold up on its own. So we're gonna take a bite here. Crab really is something special. It's sweet and has kind of the scent of the ocean in it. That's a really good crab cake. Enjoy your bougie snack while I enjoy mine. Until next time, I'm your boy, amateur pro home chef Nathanael Levinson. It's the Krabby Patty. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, let us know what you'd like to see on the channel. If you want to get in touch with us, we've got a Twitter at KitchenChemYT. We've got an email therealkitchenchemist@gmail.com. We've also got an Instagram @kitchenchemistyt. So please, we'd love to hear from you guys. Let us know what you'd like to see next.